Good morning, students. In this session, I am going to take salary and commission to partners. If it is remuneration may be allowed to the partners in the form of salary or commission for the contribution to the partners. And then what are the journal entries are to be maintained? So the journal entry is partner salary account and partners commission account data to partners capital or current account. And then for closing partner salary and commission account at the end of the year, at the end of the accounting year. So we have to mention the journal entry is profit and loss appropriation account data to partner salary account and then partners commission account. So next one, partners are entitled if there is any profit or loss, but we have to, whether there is profit or loss, we have to pay the we give to the commission. We give to the commission to the partners, and then partners are entitled to remuneration only if there is a profit in the firm. Profit and loss appropriation account is debited as the remuneration is due to the partners capital or current account of partners is credited. So commission to partners may be allowed as a percentage of net profit before charging such commission. So we have to maintain the formula. What is the formula means? Commission as a percentage of net profit before charging such commission. So the formula is net profit before commission into percentage of commission divided by 100, and then commission as a percentage of net profit after charging such commission means the formula is you have to be used net profit before commission into percentage of commission divided by 100 plus percentage of commission. So we have to do the sum, exercise sum number 18. Janani and Kamali. Number 19. Janani, Kamali and Lakshmi are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses equally. As per the terms of the partnership deed, Kamali is allowed a monthly salary of 10,000 and Lakshmi is allowed a commission of 40,000 per annum for their contribution to the business of the firm. You are required to pass the necessary journal entry. Assume that their capitals are fluctuating. So, what is the journal entry is? Kamali's salary account, data to Kamali's capital account. What does the amount means? Debtor, so 1,20,000 and 1,20,000. And the Lakshmi commission, what is the Lakshmi commission is 40,000 rupees. So the journal entry you have to be maintained. Lakshmi's commission account data, Lakshmi's commission account debtor $40,000 to Lakshmi's capital account. To Lakshmi's capital account. 40,000. Okay. So Lakshmi's commission account debtor 40,000 to Lakshmi's capital account 40,000. Next one we have to write the narration. And we have to transfer the profit and loss appropriation account. What is the journal entry is profit and loss appropriation account. P profit and loss appropriation account debtor how much 1,60,000 rupees. And to Kamali salary account. To Kamali salary account. How much? 1,20,000. Lakshmi's commission account to Lakshmi's commission. 40,000. So totally 1,60,000. This is the journal entry for 18th question. Next one we have to move another question, 19th question. SEBI and Manoj are partners in a firm. SEBI is get to a commission of 20% of net profit before charging any commission. Manoj is to get a commission of 20% on net profit after charging all commission. Note this point. SEBI is to get a commission of 20%. It is a net profit before commission. And then Manoj is to get a commission 20% of net profit after charging all commission. So, you have to use the formula. Net profit for the year ended 31 December 2018 before charging any commission was 60,000. Find the commission of SEBI and Manoj. Also, show the distribution of profit. So, first one we have to mention the commission to SEBI. Commission to SEBI. What is the formula is net profit before commission into percentage of commission divided by 100. So this is the formula. Net profit before commission is net profit before commission into percentage of commission divided by 100. Okay, net profit before commission is profit is equal to profit is 60,000 is to given by the sum. Profit is 60,000. What is the net profit before commission? It is the amount is 60,000 into percentage of commission. Percentage of commission means it's a 20%. So 20% divided by 100. 0, 0. What is the amount? 12,000 rupees. So, CB commission is 12,000 rupees. And another one is commission to Manoj. Commission to Manoj. Net profit, this is the formula. Net profit after CB's commission. Net profit after CB commission. So, சிபிக்கு கமிஷன் கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் மனோஜுக்கு சிபிக்கு கமிஷன் கொடுத்துட்டா அந்த ப்ராஃபிட்ல இருந்து அந்த அமௌண்ட்டை நம்ம லெஸ் பண்ணிடணும். லெஸ் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் எவ்வளவு அமௌண்ட் ப்ராஃபிட் இருக்கோ அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் மனோஜுக்கு கொடுக்க வேண்டிய கமிஷனை நம்ம கொடுக்கிறோம். சோ அதனால தான் நெட் ப்ராஃபிட் ஆஃப்டர் கமிஷன். ஆஃப்டர் கமிஷன். Into percentage of commission divided by 100 plus percentage of commission. Net profit after commission calculate பண்ணும்போது 100 ஓட percentage of commission ஐயும் add பண்ணி காமிக்கணும். First 60,000ல சிபியோட கமிஷன் எவ்வளவு இருக்கு அப்படின்னா 12,000 rupees இருக்கு. அந்த 12,000 rupees subtract பண்ணு. Subtract பண்ண what is the amount? So 48,000. So 48,000 தான் profit நம்மள்ட்ட இருக்கு. இந்த 48,000 சிபிக்கு கமிஷன் கொடுத்தது போக பேலன்சிங் ப்ராஃபிட் வந்து இவ்வளவு இருக்கு. இந்த பேலன்ஸ் ப்ராஃபிட் எவ்வளவு இருக்கோ அதுல இருந்து தான் யாருக்கு கொடுக்கணும்னா மனோஜுக்கு கொடுக்க போறோம். அப்ப 48,000 into percentage of commission 20 divided by 100 plus percentage of commission plus percentage commission இந்த 20 add பண்ணிக்கணும். $48,000 into 20 divided by 120. 0, 0, 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12. Next one, 1 6 are 6, 8 6 are 48. So 8,000 rupees. What is the amount of commission to Manoj? Manoj commission is 8,000 rupees. Manoj commission is 8,000 rupees. So totally net profit, total net profit is equal to how much? 60,000. Total net profit is equal to 60,000. So CB's commission, CB commission எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? commission டோட்டலா commission எவ்வளவு இருக்கு அப்படின்னா சிபியோட கமிஷன் வந்து 12,000. CB commission is 12,000. Manoj commission is 8,000. It is a Manoj commission. Totally 20,000. Profit la 20,000 commission போனுச்சுனா balance amount எவ்வளோ இருக்கும் profit na 40,000 rupees. So totally profit is 40,000 rupees. Okay. Thank you students.